Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for episode 2 of my small apartment living organization series. We are actually in my friend Katie's new apartment and she asked me to help her to implement some functional and sustainable organization systems in a few problem areas around her home. So in episode 1, I completely overhauled the organization in her small kitchen and it turned out amazing. If you haven't seen that already, I'll leave it linked in the description box. Definitely make sure that you watch episode 1. But for episode 2, we are going to be working in her small bathroom. This is actually her guest bathroom and it currently has zero organization in here, so this is a clean, fresh start. Of course, I am going to bring in all of the organization bins that we had shopped for, and you can watch that shop with me over on her channel, Katie Vining, and then I'll start pulling things out and working on actually organizing the space. I wanted to show you guys an overview of all of the items we picked up for the bathroom organization. We actually shopped for most of these at HomeGoods and Target, and we filmed that entire process. We included a bunch of tips and tricks for how to plan for your own organization project, where to shop, and how to find the best deals. So if you are interested in seeing that shop with me for organization items on a budget, then definitely make sure that you head on over to Katie's channel, Katie Vining. I will leave a link for you down in the description box. Subscribe to her, watch her videos, and leave her a comment letting her know that I sent you over. And if you're coming from Katie's channel, hello, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. I'd love for you to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you tackle organization projects the same way that I do and completely clear the space before you even start. I like to pull everything out so that I can get a clear picture of what I'm working with, and I just kind of pile it all around me, kind of into categories, and even though it may look overwhelming to see that mountain of stuff behind you, I promise it makes it so much easier. This way nothing is forgotten and you can go through everything at once and kind of downsize what it is that you're needing to store away and come up with the perfect solution for what you have left over. I also like to start with the easiest task first, which gives that instant gratification and an extra boost of motivation to keep pushing through the rest of the project. Here, that means that I'm going to create a toilet paper mountain, which is the most aesthetic way to store toilet paper in my opinion.
I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but
Storing away candles is always exceptionally difficult for me. I've actually never come up with an ideal solution for how to organize and store these besides to just put them in a larger container and hide them away. Katie is just like I am in that she loves to have a lot of candles in her home, but she also collects extras whenever she finds good deals on them so that she can give them away as housewarming gifts or presents for various holidays. I feel like candles are the best type of gift for most people in your life, so she did have quite a few of them that I needed to store away, but I got them all sorted into those bins, and then I was able to move on to her hand towels, washcloths, and all of her extra linens. Now this was actually really easy. She didn't have an excess of these items, so they fit perfectly into the smaller bins. I had one for her hand towels and washcloths in the smallest size, and then in that medium size all of her guest towels fit in there. I did have to fold them a number of times before I finally found the best way to fold them to fit comfortably into that medium-sized bin but still look as aesthetically pleasing as possible. But I was really happy with what I was able to come up with, and honestly with the entire outcome of this project, I think it might have been my favorite organization project in her entire home and through this entire series that you guys are going to see. It just feels the most welcoming, and since this is a guest space, that was very important. Both Katie and Brian Ryan are actually Florida transplants, so most of their friends and family still live in their home states or a different state from them, and they have a lot of guests that travel through. Anytime that you have a designated guest space, I always feel like it is extra important to have the best type of organization that you can in those spaces, just so that your guests can easily see everything that's available to them and they don't necessarily have to ask you for every little thing, which would allow them to feel way more comfortable and at home.
What do you got? 'Cause I am gold, I'm golden.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. What's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this page. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, forget I made this way, but why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done in my drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? The only one that's left in the rain.
Another tip that I always like to share is to go ahead and take advantage of your drawers and cabinets being completely empty, because we know that does not happen very often, and wipe everything down really well before you start putting your organization bins back in.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain?
I did have to rearrange this cabinet quite a few times before I was finally satisfied with this setup, so if that happens to you, just know that it is completely normal, totally fine, and you can rearrange it as many times as you need.
Get up and let's face it, no need to erase it, 'cause memories make you strong. Breathe in and get going, breathe out and stop moaning. You gotta get out and try, 'cause when you lose, you learn the bumps along the way, but you'll never
So I just wanted to show you an overview of what Katie's bathroom looks like and the aesthetic that she has going on in here, because I'm going to reveal what all of the organization turned out like, and you will see that it totally goes along. It's so cohesive, and because of that, this was probably my favorite organization project in her apartment, and I know it was hers as well. I did capture hers and Brian's reactions on camera, and they both loved it. So if you are wanting to see that, make sure that you keep on watching, because it will be coming up here in just a couple of minutes. But this is going to be everything for today's small bathroom organization on a budget. I hope that you all enjoyed and that you were able to get a ton of ideas and tips that you can use in your own home. Don't forget to head over to Katie's channel, subscribe, watch her shop with me's if you want the tips and tricks on how to find deals on organization items, where we shopped for all of these, and how much the total budget was. If you are coming over from Katie's channel, thank you so much for being here and watching today's video. I hope that you've subscribed and joined my little YouTube family. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me today, and I will see you in the next one.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see it.
Okay. So it like kind of looks the same from the outside because everything's inside.
Yeah.
Where should I start?
Just go ahead.
My candles!
Yeah, the little one up top is like the mostly burned candles, and also your like lighter and things that you might reach for before you reach for a new one.
Oh my
and then
God.
behind that, the bin behind the like top one is all of the like extra shower curtains and linens that you like rarely use.
Okay, perfect. Most people only have one shower curtain. I have many.
It's because of those Target boxes. Do you like it?
It looks so good. These containers look so good with the like, I guess because it's all like white and like natural colored.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. It looks so good.
Isn't it pretty?
Yes.
When I was
love
doing it, I was like, this is gonna be Katie's favorite. It's the most aesthetic.
It's so pretty. I know we did spend like a lot on the bins, but I feel like it was worth it.
It literally matches the entire bathroom.
I love it. I know. I feel like I really kept this like aesthetic going in here, so we have to continue it. This looks so good. I feel like, yeah, people are gonna open it and be all impressed, but like, I didn't do that. Oh, that's such a good use for that.
I always take my extra light bulbs out of their excess packaging because it's so much.
Yeah.
And we have a container in our laundry closet with them, so I thought that would be perfect because you don't, I mean, the animals aren't going in there.
Right.
And you don't have small children yet,
Right.
so you don't have to keep them out of reach.
Yes.
You like it?
I love it.
And then in that top drawer right there is all of the like,
cute.
guest stuff.
Yes, this is great. I was not prepared for guests, but now I am. So thanks, Megan. Cool, and then I still have more space to
Yeah,
grow.
so there's plenty of room to grow. That's why I put that extra empty basket underneath of the sink, so that like if you get extra seasonal hand towels or something, you can put them in there.
I was thinking for this, I should have said, I'll probably put like a hook or something.
Yeah,
So. I wanted to get like a ring, but I had a hard time finding. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, though. I had no idea where to put it, so I just set it there.
Yeah, I wasn't sure. I either need to get like a hook or some sort of ring for my pineapple towels.
They're so cute.
But yeah, I love it. It looks so good. I think that it's my favorite aesthetically. It looks amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And there's room to grow, like I said.
Yeah.
There's plenty, like that top shelf, there's so much empty space behind it if you needed to get another basket and
Right.
stuff, so.
I love it. I think it looks so good. We should
Okay.
get Brian's reaction.
Oh yeah, let's do that. Brian's reaction.
Okay. Where do I look first?
Where-
That's
Right.
what I said.
Nice. Oh, this is gorgeous.
Isn't it pretty?
It looks so good. This is like a resort.
I know.
Oh my god. Wow.
The top,
Have you had these the entire time?
These baskets?
Yeah.
You got them.
we shopped for them.
Oh,
I
this
think
is
at like Home Goods.
gorgeous. Wow.
That top one, the little one, is all her 3/4 of the way burned candles.
Oh, is it perfect? Perfect.
Yeah. And behind that is like your extra shower curtains.
This looks like a resort. This is crazy.
You like it?
Oh, it's so organized. Wow. Did you do these drawers too? Is
Just
there
the
anything
top
in there?
one
Perfect.
for when you
Basic.
have like your guests and
Yes,
family.
stuff. This is beautiful. Wow. What else? Is that it?
Yeah, that's everything.
Well done.
He's so good at reacting.